Hi everyone, I'm Jasmine Batten and I'm the developer for the EFRT-1669 user story for refactoring the front end for adding and deleting bank accounts in the refactored repository. I'm a member of the EFEC team and my product owner and mentor is Dr. Masood Sajadi.
I will now be demonstrating that the feature of adding and removing bank accounts works. Okay, first I need to log in. For this demonstration, I will be using a pre-made login account for testing purposes. Click Login. It redirects me to the home page, and now I click the drop-down menu and I navigate to My Accounts. As you can see, a primary account was automatically generated for me when I clicked the My Accounts button. As you can see, there is a section here to add a bank account. I click the button, hit Continue. I click any type of bank account, and then I type in the sandbox information. I click Checking, Continue. As you can see, a bank account was added to the front end homepage. Next, I need to check that this bank account was added successfully to the database. So, I navigate to the table. In this instance, there should be 3 main entities that were affected. The first entity being the account, which is the primary account that was generated when I opened the web page. So, I click Select Top 1000 Rows, and as you can see, a primary account was added with the login ID 4, which is the login ID for the trader account, with the created information. As you can see, the balance is 0 as well. Next, I need to check the bank account table to see that the bank account was added. As you can see, a bank account was added. It has the bank account ID from Stripe. It has the nickname automatically given to the bank account, which can be changed later. It has the primary account foreign key, and it also has a login ID associated with this entry. Finally, I need to check that a Stripe customer was created for this bank account. If I click Select Top 1000 Rows, I can see that an external Stripe customer ID was created for this account in the login ID 4. Finally, I need to check that this bank account was accurately reflected in the Stripe. So I navigate to Stripe. As you can see, it was created, and it was created with the same bank account you can see here. Next, I need to demonstrate that I can add a balance from my bank account into the primary account. First, I click the Add Balance from Account button. For instance, let's say we want to add $10.25. I click Add Balance, and then I get a little pop-up that says the funds were added correctly and that it may take time to reflect. As you can see, it does reflect under the primary account balance. Now I need to check that this charge was reflected in Stripe. As you can see, it did succeed in charging the bank account. Now I need to withdraw funds. So I click Withdraw Money from Effort. And let's say I want to withdraw $9. I click Withdraw Balance. And then it says the funds were withdrawn correctly and that it may take time to reflect on the balance. I click OK. And as you can see, I'm left with $1.25 on the Effort account. Now I need to check that it was refunded in Stripe. As you can see, there has been a partial refund. $9 was refunded. Finally, I need to check that these transactions are also happening in Stripe. So I need to go to the transaction table and select the top 1000 rows. And as you can see, there are 2 transactions here. One that is for adding a balance, and this says null, but I can fix it. One that says adding a balance and one that says $9. So as you can see, and the external transaction IDs that are within Stripe itself. Finally, I need to demonstrate that I can delete this bank account from this web page. So I click delete, and as you can see, your bank account was deleted successfully, and then there are no more bank accounts. And I need to check in Stripe that the bank account was deleted, which is just a flag. It doesn't actually delete. As you can see, the is deleted flag has been turned on for this bank account, and it was successful.
If you have any questions, feel free to contact me at my email or Dr. Masood Sajadi's email. Thank you for watching.